All right, March 9th, 2023. Here we go. We're going to show you the water heater we're going to install in 10 gallon. All right, so this is the main gas line. She's a tight fit. Here's your manifold winterization bypass. This right now is in dewinterize or use. Cold water comes in, goes in the tank, comes out this check valve, which cold can't go back in. It goes out and feeds your hot water in your system. Right back here, hot water. There's your cold water going in. I already made them 90s. All right, so I can cut them and fit them on. Now to winterize, you notice how this one's in line with the hose and in line with the PEX tubing. Now to winterize, you just put it in bypass, shut this one the opposite way, this one the opposite way. You see it? So now the water comes in, can't go through the valve, feed the tank. It goes up, it can't come back through this valve and go into the tank, and it goes and you push your antifreeze through that system, your RV antifreeze. What I did, I hooked up all your wires, I had to put another ground in here, and then I tape all them to keep it on there. Then these wires, I had to extend a little bit, right, to get them up, because there's no room, folks. So I'm gonna probably tape this one right here. And that's the water heater. All right, there's your 120 element. This side has a reset button and a reset button. This is your 120 thermostat. This is your 12 volt DC gas valve thermostat on the right on a Suburban. We'll go take a look inside. Here we go. Then we'll start running out of room. So we're going to slide her up in there. All right, so here you go. We're getting there, right? Short little videos. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics.